Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing a device that I've personally been using for about a month in my skincare routine. I'm excited to show you why I love this device and what the benefits are. And also, you guys know that I am a super skincare advocate, so adding in a device is not something that I take lightly. If it's a device that I love, then I'm going to talk about it. If not, I'm not going to share it with you guys. So hopefully you guys will take this into consideration when I share this device with you today. Without further ado, let's get started and let me show you what I'm talking about. Today I'm talking about the Nuovaluce anti-aging device. This has microcurrent and light therapy technology, so it's 2-in-1. You get two different attachments in this device, and I'm going to show you how you use this device. First of all, it's this cute little lightweight device that comes with two of these little heads for the microcurrent, and then you can easily detach this and you will put on the red light therapy attachment, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a little bit, just to show you kind of a little unboxing. So this is the power button right here. And this is chargeable, so you don't have to worry about batteries. You don't have to be stuck to the wall when you're using this. You just charge this. And honestly, I've used this probably about 12 times and I haven't even charged it. So maybe like half a month you have to charge it for 15 minutes or something. It's really awesome how long it holds a charge. So you turn on with this on button, and these are for the microcurrent. You can increase the microcurrent here. And as you can see, you get this little blue button, and you can go all the way to the highest amount, or you can take it back down to the lowest amount. When you first get this device, you want to start with the lowest and just kind of build up your tolerance for this, because it will kind of shock you if you go to the full high. I'm already like built up to almost the highest, but when I first got this, I started kind of at the 1 or the 2 mark right here. And I'm going to show you what this looks like when you put on the red light. And here is the red light. So once you have this on, you can see this casts a red light, and this is what you use to help to produce collagen and activate collagen in your skin. It helps to reduce wrinkles and reduce fine lines and any dark spots. Now, how do you use the device? I'm going to show you how I personally incorporate this into my skincare. So in the morning, after I have washed my face and I've used my toner, this is the toner that I've been using most recently, the Mint Pear Fresh Toner with cucumber and witch hazel. I just use a few pumps on a little cotton round, and I will clean my face and remove any residual makeup, any oils, any leftover cleanser from my shower. And what you're supposed to do is basically just take this. You want to make sure that you put both of these contact onto your face. I like to hold my skin here, and I will just go up and hold for 10 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. And I will follow this pattern. You will hear a little bit of a buzzing the higher that you get on the level of intensity, but there's no pain. This is not painful. You just feel like a little bit of electricity, kind of that microcurrent that's going into your skin, and you just basically take this and lift this up. And as you can see how I'm pushing this into my skin, I'm not really dragging or pulling, but I am making sure that I can get this microcurrent into my skin, and I bring that all the way back. Now I'm going to repeat this entire process all the way on this side of my face, bringing it all the way back, going over my cheekbone. Now the whole purpose of this device is, of course, to reduce wrinkles and to lift your skin, to tighten your skin. So think of microcurrent as giving your skin a little bit of a massage or an exercise. So your muscles are getting a little bit of like a shock that's like an exercise that will tighten that muscle. So as you do this, you are tightening that muscle and you're lifting your skin and reducing those wrinkles. And this also helps to go right underneath the eye. It fits perfectly, like right underneath the eye. I just bring that all the way back. And you just repeat this process. You get 10 minutes. It automatically turns off when it's finished. And then up on the forehead, I like to go right over and kind of twist that and bring that up. So I'm going here above my eyebrow and just lifting all the way back into my hairline. and again right here in the center and all the way back up. This is, of course, before I've applied any serums, any moisturizer, so this is the routine that I use. And you will just repeat that on the other side. And this one is super simple because there's only one setting, just on, and then again this is also timed. So what you want to do with this red light therapy, if you can kind of see these lights, you just take this and simply hold it in place for 10 seconds and just move over your entire face. It's that simple. I'm not pressing into my skin, but I do make sure that I am in contact with my skin. So I'm not really pressing, but I make sure that it is touching my skin. And you just complete that entire process for the whole surface of your skin, just counting 5 to 10 seconds in every area. And this is really going to help activate the collagen production in your skin, which is what is responsible for that plump, juicy look, and it helps to reduce that look of fine lines and wrinkles, and of course any sun damage or sunspots that you have. And it also helps to reduce the pore size. So if you have large pores, this really helps for that. And I've personally noticed that it helps with blackheads. So anytime I have any blackheads going on, whenever I use this and just put this on my nose, just like that, it helps to reduce the size of my pores and my blackheads. Now, after that treatment, I like to just go back over with the Mint Pear Fresh Toner, and I just tone my entire face. And then after the toner, I follow that with the Mint Pear Collagen Serum, and I just use just a little bit of this here, and I just blend this right over my skin and just press this right in. This really helps to activate that collagen. Now that I have given myself a little workout, this is really going to penetrate deeply into my skin. And then following the Mint Pear Collagen, I like to use the Vitamin Rich Daily Moisturizer by Mint Pear. And a little bit of eye cream. And there you have it, super simple, super easy. I honestly feel like I have seen some incredible results in 30 days using this device. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. Again, I would not tell you guys about something that I didn't think would work. So you know that I've used it and I've tried this, and it's a device that I really would honestly recommend to you guys. So I wanted to share it with you. And if you do have any questions, just leave your comments below. If I haven't covered anything in this tutorial, I'm always here to help, just a comment away. I want you guys to have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next video. Take care.